Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the shift bushings on the transmission side. I still have a little bit of play. I replaced the ones at the shifter itself, so I have a little bit of play. So I got some Delron bushings with some brass inserts, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. Alright, I've got my tools out right here. Don't need a lot of tools. The shift bushings are down under there. So we're going to take the airbox out. So we're going to take half here. So take this off first. This little guy's a little hard to get out. So got that out there. That out. This off here. Off there. Okay, so there is an Allen. You could pull this off, but it's a little easier to get it back in to loosen this Allen up. There's a little hose down here. Pull it off like that. And the reason I take this out is because you can pull on this, and if you got a plastic hose here, you can easily break this, so you try not to damage anything. Pull this out like that. So here are the shift bushings, and it looks, let's see here. See, we have some play in the rubber. So we're going to try to tighten that up here. What I have here is, here's the new bushings here. They look like they're Delron with brass insert. So we're going to see here. Let's try this one. Goes. It looks like I gotta remove this whole thing here. Looks like it's kind of like glued in there. The outer edges are glued. Looks like. We can. that in there. Does look like a pretty tight fit. There you go. Put a little bit of something on there to help it slide a little bit. Actually, maybe this is the wrong way. Let's go this way. Yep, that's in there. Wow, that's tight. Okay, next one. Take this clip off. That thing is really loose. Let's see here. That fits in there tight. Take this out for now. That fits really nice inside that plastic housing. And then also we're going to put a little on that, just so everything slides a little nicer. And wow, there's no play now. That's amazing. So now we'll just put this back together. This goes in first. There. There's a little hose down here. That's a good one. That in here. Sure those little clips go in there. It says top here. And that's it. She's back together. We can throw this away. And we are all done. Thanks for watching, guys.